Today, we're going to bring a small, petite mechanical keyboard. Now, this is awesome if you're going to take it on the road or take it with you. It has all the features that you need. You can replace the actual keys because they're all mechanical. If you guys can see that, they're going to fit pretty much any keys that you purchase out of third parties or so forth. Now, the actual flexibility of this is very awesome. I mean, you could take this on the road, play some games, take it for work, pretty much fits in anywhere. And look at this, it fits into my two palms, or if you guys can see it. So any backpack or any bag, it won't take too much of a space. The best thing I like about it, it has a USB, so you could plug it in any machine you want. And on top of that, it has two features or two Bluetooth devices you can add to. If you guys notice, 2.4 hertz, Bluetooth 1, Bluetooth 2, and then you got your controllers here where you can see the actual battery and where you're set up, right? And then to charge it, Type-C connection, on and off button, very simple. So let's go ahead and put it to use. Take a look at the keyboard, how loud it is, all right? It's working very well. Look at all the beautiful colors that you have, right? They're loud keys because they are mechanical. Bounce back feels the feedback is very good. All right, let's go ahead and turn on the Bluetooth device. All right, we're gonna Bluetooth 1 or 2. All right, we're gonna turn it on and see how it's turning green. We're gonna bring on our iPad. We're gonna go to the Bluetooth area. All right, and if you guys can see, we're gonna go scroll down, and there it is right there. It tells you a BT3 keyboard. All right, we are gonna connect to it and pair it. We're gonna pair it to that. All right, go here. We're gonna type in anything you want. Look at that, automatically connecting to it. All right. Connecting, very simple, and then we could delete too. So I'm working the actual keyboard. It's deleting all that stuff I just wrote. I could write anything I want and delete. This is on the Bluetooth part of it, right? So I am going to use this keyboard to play games on the Steam Deck and use it like a computer. So once we want to connect back to the 2.4, all you got to do is scroll back to the left. All right, watch, and that's it. And it connects automatically. You guys can see it. It's connecting, saying it's connecting. So we're ready to go here. Then we could type it in, anything we want. If you guys can see that, we're gonna go back, reverse, and that should do it. .6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.